Hey, what's up, everybody? It's that guy Skimpy. I'm chilling with my boy, Bass Slapper. So we were going through our tackle, getting ready for the upcoming year, and he pulls out this frog that has some messed up legs, and he was saying that he wanted to replace the legs. So I told him, I said, hey, didn't you watch my video I made replacing the legs? And he said, no. This guy. Anyways, so I showed him the video, and now it's time for him to switch some nasty legs on his frog. So we're going to video him doing it. All right.
Alright guys, so here's this ugly frog here, but I messed up on the trimming and it doesn't want to walk the way you want it to walk. So we're just going to go ahead and we're going to replace these legs, right? So just pull them right out. And you notice that they're just held in by a little knot right there. So we're basically just going to mimic what they did and try to replace it with some living rubber skirts right here.
So that looks about, how much of a tab is that?
That's a full tab ripped in half right there, so half a tab.
Half a tab?
Little shout out to Living Rubber for being awesome on everything they do here.
So what are you doing now?
So we're just going to tie a knot just to mimic what the company had done for the frog to begin with. Try to get that guy nice and tight so he'll slide in a little easier. Then to get him in here, we had to bother Skimpy's wife right here, grab one of her bobby pins. Just kind of hook that guy, if I can do it here. Then the trick's getting it back in there. Just going to take the bobby pin, go through the leg, out the other, just pull it right through. Till that knot pops in. Then the trick is getting the rest of this side out of there without pulling the knot through the other side. There you go. Now you can just separate all these guys. And test your trimming skills out all over again. Brand new frog. That's all I got.
Okay guys, there it is. That's how to replace the frog legs. That's how to replace the frog legs on a frog. Shout out to Living Rubber. Yeah. All right, guys. That guy Skimpy. Please subscribe. Bass Slapper.
Dude, look at how sexy this frog is now. Look at that. Oh, you're. Oh.